Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the AFK Journey game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the AFK Journey game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you will directly be taken into the login portal. If you are logged in already, you will be prompted to tap in order to begin your journey. Either way, if you tap on the account button at the top right corner, you will see the login section, where you will be asked to enter your verification code or your username and password to log in. Go ahead and click on password login, and now you will see the recover password option. Go ahead and click on this, and you will now be asked to enter your email address. Go ahead and type in the email address that you used while signing up for your account, and then click on the get code button. This will now send a verification code, which you can simply copy and paste within the given box. After entering this verification code, you will now be allowed to enter your desired new password for your account. Within the password box, just type in your password that you wish to set up as your new password. You can then finally click on the submit button, and now this will reset your password and change it into the new one that you just entered right away. This will also restart your game, and you may be asked to log in once again in order to verify your changes. After logging in using your new password and your original email address, you will now be able to continue playing your AFK Journey game once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on the AFK Journey game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.